Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up the newbie share on your Samsung Galaxy A33. So first you need to open the control panel, then enable here Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location services. Then find here newbie share. Afterwards click and hold on it. And cool. Now you can enable newbie share. Then you need to click on this message. Click on add or verify button. Scroll down and choose yes I mean. Then you can rename your device. For example, A33. Click rename. Change your data usage mode. I suggest you to use data mode. And make your device visible for everyone or for contacts only. I suggest to use everyone mode. And cool, now we can receive data, we can send data using our device. For example, I want to send a photo from my Realme phone to my Samsung phone. How can I do it? So just open the file or photo, click send, choose share via newbie share. You will see your device, A33 in my case. Wait a while. Cool, now on your A33 device just click accept button. And cool, image was successfully sent. So that's all, thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel and bye, see you.